What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're gonna be working on this thing. If you guys watched the last video, you saw when I purchased it, and now we're getting down to the grind. Now we're gonna start the demo. We're gonna start taking stuff out that we're not gonna use and start pretty much tearing it down to become the open platform so that we can start building. We still don't have a layout yet, but we kind of know where we want to take it. So let's get right into this video. Not waste no time, not waste no sunlight, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't skip the video. Watch all the way to the end because you're not gonna want to skip it. Well, I don't know if you guys seen it on the last video. I did like a quick little walk around, but if you want to come join us in here, you can see what we're working with. Not much, I'm not gonna lie. It's not much that we're working with, but it's the vision, bro. You gotta always see it through. As long as you see the vision, then there's a equation.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know if that made sense, but anyways, we're gonna start taking stuff out that we don't need. Like, as you can see, this couch. Don't know what's in this couch or what has been on this couch, but we're definitely not going to use this couch. This table here, taking the fridge out, the shower. Pretty much we're taking off anything that has to do with water and propane. And then we're going to leave all the electrical. We're going to go through the electrical. But first, before we go through the electrical, we got to make sure everything's cleared out so we can know exactly what we have to eliminate, what we have to keep. But yeah, this is it. This is the layer. This is the RV for the channel that we're going to be building into our merch truck. Hopefully I can get this couch out of here because I think they built the couch inside here. Wait, my leg. My leg.
My leg. My leg.
Hold on, Yo, you forgot the foot.
Window? Now we know how I got it. Put it down. The other way.
Nigga, ow!
Well, as you guys can tell, the tire's exposed. This tire is gonna probably come up about 4 inches, and then we could build something off of that and see how tall it needs to be. So we'll probably do the same thing with that one, expose that side. We're gonna take all this other stuff out first, all this water stuff, all this jizz and jazz, and then all that back there. And then we're also gonna test out the AC because the electrical works. We just want to make sure that the AC works, so we gotta unwrap it from the top, turn it on, see if everything spins, and yeah. Licensing. Got Daniel over here actually putting in work. He's about to take a shower.
Hey, yo. Wanna hop in?
Hey, yo. Some of it's out. This. Almost smacked myself. Alright, plastic does not break, guys. And neither does wood. Man literally cut through to do the RV lights. He cut
through his own wood?
He cut through the wood. Definitely gonna need to take this shit apart. We can take it apart now.
Watch out the,
So you can make it out of there. really don't know what we got ourselves into, but we're getting some space, guys. We are a couple things down that we wanted to take out, but we want to get the main things out, the main big things, so that we can start working on the little things like this drain here. We're gonna take it out because we gotta cover the hole, just like the bottom. So we're bringing the Sawzall now so we can just cut it off. And then shower's out. Now we gotta work on the toilet.
Sitting on the toilet.
And then, yeah, we finished taking this whole shower outside. That was the worst cut ever, by the way. Switch out. That shit stinks. I trip on it. Well, it's the first time we connected the light. It looks like a mess right there. Looks like it's gonna catch on fire, but we connected the plug to the house. So now we're gonna try these breakers to make sure that they work. And hopefully, if everything works, we should have light. All right, that didn't do anything. Oh. We have light. We have light, guys. We have light. Well, that one's out, but we have most of the lights. And now it's bright in here. Now we can keep working all the way through the night and keep cutting stuff and taking things out. Okay, let's see if this AC works. Well, there goes the fan. So let me... Now we can see if the fan works. Don't know which way it's on or off. Oh, that was just regular air, bro.
Oh.
I'm about to get on the roof. On the roof. Mama. Definitely might be something under this, but. Oh, I think it's missing the cover.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That's why it was leaking. He's like, I fixed the leak. You mean you put a tarp over it? This guy's about to fall over there. Scary, yeah. I think we figured it out, boys. It's blowing cool air, but right now when it's there, now you can feel the difference. Get by here, look. Quick little update, boys. We got this thing pretty much taken apart. The AC was working for a little bit, then it started making a weird noise, so we shut it off. But we're gonna look up the model number because it is missing the top cover that basically keeps all the water out. But yeah, we're gonna look up the model number, see if we find a used one maybe, or maybe just see if we can source a new one that comes with everything already, just to get that out the way, because it's also missing the fan for the condenser. Don't mind Daniel struggling trying to rip off the carpet, by the way. Let me step over here. Oh, there was another hole.
I think that's for the seats. He was
Oh, those for the tables.
Yeah.
All right, wait, this is all he's done all day.
This guy.
How you feel after that?
Bro. None of my gloves feel.
Can you see me? Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's it's pretty much where we're at now. We still have to take out all the. So we gotta take off this pipe here, which is connected to the propane, I believe, but it comes out right here. So we just gotta go underneath, cut it to take that pipe off. We gotta take that pipe off of there, take the propane tank out of there. We're probably gonna keep this here just so we could put like a couple tools or whatever, because it has an access point from the outside. But we are pretty much at the point where we're gonna stop right now because we don't want to take apart too much and then we lose track of what we're supposed to be actually doing. But we did find some damages, we're not gonna lie. So there's some rotting of the wood here. See how it's like broken? There's also some here. This one's pretty bad. But we're gonna replace this piece of wood here. That's why we were taking off the carpet. We also have to build a metal box over the tires first before we do the wood one, because they just had wood, and wood and water do not mix unless it's treated, but still over time it still ends up going bad. So we're gonna actually build a metal frame over it, and then we might bolt the metal frame to the actual frame of the truck, and then we'll build the box over it. But we're at the stage where we're gonna stop and pick up on the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys stayed to the end and watched Daniel struggle pulling off that carpet like a couple minutes ago. And yeah, and catch us on the next one where we're gonna actually probably be demo part 2, where we can get into the walls and see what we're gonna actually do with the windows and all the electrical. But hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch us on the next one. And sticky floors. See ya. Deuce. Oh, shit.
Where's the trust?